आपके लिए एपी, बाकियों के लिए अनन्या पांडे. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Okay, hang on. Magically a mic will come to you. Yes, the magic has worked. Okay, I'm just going to say first of all, congratulations. As someone who's worked in the voice business for many, many years now, I know this is a great feeling. So, first question, Disney and Pixar. What does it mean for you to actually team up with them?
Hello everyone. Don't go by my voice today. I sound a bit like a man, but I swear Riley sounds like a little girl. But मेरे लिए I swear जब कहते हैं कि बचपन का सपना पूरा हुआ, it was exactly that for me because Disney and Pixar is all that I've grown up watching. And you know these movies, people say कि बच्चों की picture है, but then when you watch it as an adult for the second time, you actually understand so much more. And especially Inside Out 2, I think my favorite lesson from this film, actually from part 1, was that हम सोचते हैं कि हमें हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना है, खुश रहना है, जॉय 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 सब कहते हैं कि that's the most important emotion, but joy doesn't come out until all the other emotions are there with it as well. And I think that's what makes us human. And as Vikram sir said, everyone, you know, माँ बाप बच्चे, everyone goes through this. It's the most relatable film in the world, and it was just such a pleasure and a joy to be a part of this film.
I love it. So many emotions coming out today. Okay, so my next question you already kind of covered, but I'm still gonna ask it to you. Yeah, what is the most appealing thing about Inside Out and Inside Out 2 for you?
I think just the humaneness of it, the fact that at every moment you're constantly feeling some emotion, you know, you're always feeling something. That's what grounds you, that's what brings you back here. And for me the challenge as well, मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं किया, you know, I've only voiced myself in films and I've been with a character for so many months, and then to come here and play something I don't know the backstory of, I don't know कि कैसा होगा, what's gonna happen. That was a big challenge for me and a real honor, so I'm very grateful.
I believe that you and the cool folk at Disney and Pixar have teamed up to give us something extremely unique and special today. क्या बनाया है आपने AP हमें बताइए.
काफी खिचड़ी बनाई है, which I hope you'll enjoy. I'm sitting at embarrassment right now, which is a perfect seat for me, but please feel joy for me.
Alright, so we're going to take a seat. Eyes on the screen please. A very special presentation from Ananya Pandey, Disney and Pixar. Oi de sakti hain. And of course we'll call her back on stage. Would you kindly join me on the stage again? She deserves a round of applause, I think so, guys. Thank you. That was amazing. How fun was that for you?
Way more than I thought. Way more than I thought.
You know, teenage Ananya is like a roller coaster of emotions. So I'd love to ask you कि
Teenage अभी जो
हुआ था
पिछले साल, हाँ,
पिछले साल, तो उस दौर में से कौन से ऐसे इमोशंस थे जो चैनल करने पड़े थे राइली को इस दौर के लिए?
I mean, my only thing was when they asked me to play Riley, I was like, my voice just cracked. Like last year, I don't sound like a kid anymore. So वो थोड़ा tough था to get the little kid voice out. But the main emotion that I felt, I think, to play Riley was joy. I needed to keep the inner child alive, so joy.
You know what I loved about Inside Out when it first released is that उस दौर में in 2015, you spoke about mental health like nobody else did to us. So I want to give Inside Out a round of applause because it was so amazing. I want to ask you, जब emotional खिचड़ी होती है तो क्या होता है? Okay, do you channel a time of your life when there was an emotional खिचड़ी?
ये सभी होता है और मेरे साथ हर रोज ही होता है. Emotional खिचड़ी चल रही है मेरे दिमाग में. But as I said at the start कि it's important to feel what you're feeling. I don't think, जैसे आपने ट्रेलर में देखा, they try to suppress certain feelings and that's never right. So I don't think you should suppress anything. अगर आपको sadness feel हो रहा है तो sad feel करो. अगर आप embarrassed हो तो आप embarrassed हो. And just feel whatever you're feeling and eventually that wave will ride.
Fantastic. Of course, there are lots of emotions and there are new emotions in Inside Out too. I saw anxiety bringing a bunch of bags and dropping them, and then inside me I was just
She's never gonna leave it.
Yeah, like also very familiar. Thanks so much, Bikram. And then there was, of course, embarrassment, who's my cutest. So I'm going to ask you, most relatable emotions for you from Inside Out 2?
Definitely disgust and embarrassment for sure. I think I'm like dressed like embarrassment today a little bit. Coincidence.
Not at all, not at all. But I must ask you, if your friends were emotions, which emotion be?
Suhana would definitely be joy for sure. Shania would be anger because she used to say don't angry me when we were little. And I would say maybe Ori is like disgust. I would say Ori is always like, you know how. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
My name is Disha. I'm from News 18. My first question is to you, Vikram, that Disney and Pixar have always experimented with their subjects, and over the years, the concept of animated movies has gone beyond just children and their parents, and touched upon a lot of different subjects that people like me, who's in my early 30s, can relate to. So, do you think that the audience has grown in India, especially when it comes to animated movies?
Of course, I think there's no doubt about it. And there is a lot of role that cinema has done, the role that we are playing there. We feel that these subjects and these films are so entertaining that they can definitely be enjoyed by everybody, not only children, their parents, adults. And hence we try to bring out these films with initiatives like the one that we are doing with Ananya Pandey, to get it to voice Riley, so that we can bring it to so many more people in the language of their choice. And we've been doing it in the past. For Incredibles 2, we got Kajol as part of that. For Frozen, there was Priyanka Chopra. So the idea is that हमें लगता है ये movies इतनी अच्छी हैं कि हम enjoy कर रहे हैं, तो हमारे जैसे और भी लोग होंगे जो enjoy कर सकते हैं, और वो बात हो भी रही है इसकी. There are a lot of people enjoying it. You watch it.
Thank
So you're
you.
right about it.
Thank you so much, Vikram. Thank you so much for your question.
I have one for Ananya as well. In the past 2-3 weeks, what is that one emotion from the movie that you've been relating to a lot more?
Joy. Pure joy.
It's
Yes.
amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question. We'll pass on the mic to somebody else. There you are. Samina, question from you.
My question is to you. Disney has come with a lot of shows. So what is the brand's USP while producing some shows like this? Be it having voice of Ananya or Priyanka Chopra for that matter on board.
So can you say that again?
What is the USP for the team, for the OTT team? While presenting such actors, for shows like this, which are animated versions.
So the idea is, take off from the question that I answered, is to see to it that these are enjoyable films. Because they're highly entertaining. There are so many people who can enjoy it, irrespective of their age. And they work at so many levels. They work at a level of these animation films from Pixar, whether it's Ratatouille or Wall-E, or they work at various levels. They work at kids level, the kids can be entertained. It works at an adult level, the adult can be entertained. So the idea is to get as many people as they can to enjoy the film. And that's the uniqueness that we're trying to get with, let's say, Ananya to come on board to widen the audience. Yeah, you enjoy कीजिए.
And just to add to this is a theatrical release. What is your success mantra for such movies? And why Ananya Pandey for the piece?
सक्सेस मंत्रा तो अब मैं अगर यहाँ पे होता और मुझसे पूछ रहा होता कि आप कौन सा इसमें से है, तो मेरा तो फिल्म बिजनेस वालों का तो एंजाइटी होता है हर फ्राइडे, तो वहाँ पे रुकता तो सक्सेस मैडम फ्राइडे को पता चलेगा. बट वी हैव टू एंजॉय द जर्नी. एंड व्हाई अनन्या पांडे, व्हाई नॉट? Just look at her. She's the perfect Riley. She has the dynamism, the energy that we wanted for Riley, and she's the youth icon. We want to connect with this film with all the young people out there, or anybody who's ever been young or is going to be young. So she's the perfect embodiment of that.
Ananya, my question is to you.
Yes.
We get to see a lot of emotions of yours, and you were the first one of those actresses who had come out and spoken about mental awareness. You have your own product, where you talk about so positive, and you have tried, you have weighed through your ways of social media trolling and all. What is that one emotion as an actress that you face the most when you're presenting yourself?
Thank you for bringing up so positive. Actually, another important factor when I was, asked to play Riley, I realized that it tied into a lot with what I've been speaking about for so many years when it comes to positivity. And as I said, कि हम सिर्फ ऐसे toxic positive नहीं हो सकते. We have to feel all the emotions. There has to be sadness to balance that out. But definitely, as a young actor who started out when she was 18, there's always been fear, and there always will be fear. So I think putting yourself out there can be scary, and there's fear in that. But someone once told me that, by not being yourself, you might get 100 people to like you. But by being yourself, even if 5 people like you in the long run, that's way more fulfilling. So that's what I try to go by. So that will give me joy. So fear and joy.
Thank you. Fear and joy. All right. Our next
Hi.
question comes from.
Hi, this is Meghna from Bollywood Helpline. मेरा सवाल आपसे अनन्या कि
Bollywood helpline. Oh wow, there's like a helpline now.
Can we call?
Yeah, what's the number? Have complaints. Yes.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि समटाइम्स हैपन ना कि इतने सारे आपके अभी इमोशन हमने देखे हैं, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि सारे इमोशन एक साथ बाहर आ जाते हैं, आप उसे कैसे टैकल करते हैं?
लोगों को टैकल करना पड़ता है, मुझे टैकल नहीं करना पड़ता, मेरे तो आते ही हैं इमोशंस बाहर, देन आई लीव इट टू द वर्ल्ड टू हैंडल मी.